Now we could actually there's a 2 that's common everywhere here, right? So we could actually take out a 2, right? We could put the 2 on the outside, divide everything by 2. We would get 2x plus 1. And then we would get, want to actually divide another 2 out because of this term. We would get 4, 2x plus 1, x plus 3. Alright, so the sum of squares cannot be factored. Important to remember. Yeah.
So we can leave it as 4x plus 2 bracket 2x plus 6, or do we have to like simplify it?
Yeah, you know, it doesn't really say. It just says an algebraic expression. It doesn't say reduce to lowest term, so I think you're okay with this. Could have left it there.
And
Probably.
if we go to like the one lower, that's okay too.
Yeah. If it said reduce to lowest terms, then yeah, you'd want to come down to here. Now, just the last thing to note here, the sum of squares, if there's a plus here, although these look kind of like similar to what we've been doing, you cannot do anything with these. It has to be negative. That's for difference of squares. Okay, when we have perfect square trinomials, it can be negative here or it can be positive here. But remember, that's a trinomial. That's 3 terms. When it's difference of squares, it can only be negative. That's why it's called a difference, when you're taking away something. Any questions? Who did all their homework yesterday? Like every single question. Every single question, like I strongly advised. 1 person. 2 people. No one else listened to me, eh? It's gonna be a rough test, I'm telling you. If you don't practice this over and over and over again, makes sense when I do it, but when you start to study for it, it's gonna be really hard without practicing yourselves. Okay, that's it for today's lesson.